Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to create pixel art in Google Sheets using Google Colab and Google Apps Script. Everything can be done at no cost and the procedure is quite simple. What I do is convert an image into pixel art by reading the image's info using Python and then using the data obtained from the image to color cells in Google Sheets either using Python on Colab or Google Apps Script. I'm gonna convert these three images into pixel art today. You need to place the images you wanna convert into pixel art in a directory on Google Drive. Okay, let's get started. Open this notebook on Google Colab. Mount Google Drive first. Choose your account and allow access. Import gspread and gspread formatting. Click on the link and copy and paste the verification code. And this is a function used to convert a column letter to number. And now import some other modules. Here, you need to specify the path of the image file you'll be converting into pixel art and the image's name with its extension. Load the image file and take a look at the image's width and height to make sure you're loading the correct image file. And now, name the spreadsheet you'll be using to create your pixel arts. And finally, we can start creating the pixel art. Actually, this code didn't work. The message says that the program is making too many requests to spreadsheets per minute. And this page shows that the maximum number of read and write requests per minute is 300. And the code is requesting much more than that. So to solve the problem, we need to apply a retry strategy. So I wrote a new function and replaced a few lines with this new function. And I run the code again. This time the code works, but it takes some time to complete. So the command was run successfully. And let's open the file. Okay, so we could make the pixel art in Google Sheet using Python on Google Colab. But this is a small size file, but still takes a lot of time to create the pixel art because the program needs to access the spreadsheet so many times. So we can create pixel art in Google Sheets using Python, but it's not so efficient and takes a lot of time. We can instead use Google Apps Script to draw the pixel art. I guess there are many ways to do it. What I did was create a comma-separated vector file filled with the image's hex codes using Python on Colab. Import the CSV file into Google Sheets and then color cells using Google Apps Script. Using Google Apps Script, we can significantly reduce the number of requests to Google Spreadsheets. And I created this notebook. This notebook creates a comma-separated vector file and save it in a specified directory. Okay, so once you have your CSV file ready, create a blank sheet. Then import your file. Once imported, you should be able to see many cells filled with hex codes. Select all the cells filled with the codes and go to Extensions and choose AppScript. Copy and paste this code and run it. This code calls Google Sheets only 7 times, so it's much more efficient compared to painting using Python. We need to authorize this code to access the data. And here I have a warning, but because I know what the code entails as I wrote it, I allow the code to access my account and data. And here, as you can see, it took less than 9 seconds to process the data. So with Google Apps Script, we can create pixel art much faster. Okay, now let's import another file. Run the script again and we get School of Athens by Raphael. And let's try one more. Here we get an image of Mero from Neutrino. That is a voice synthesizer. Okay, that's it. Using the codes presented here, you can convert many types of images into pixel art in Google Sheets. Thank you so much.